So beta, good evening everyone. So beta, today we will do one question of ISS 2016 paper. Okay beta, beta read the question. देखो क्या कह रहा है question. It says let the regression lines of y on x and x on y be given to you. So two regression lines are given to you. One is y on x. So ये दिया हुआ है y is equal to ax plus b. And second is x on y. So x is equal to cx plus d. Consider the following statements. तीन statements दिए हुए हैं. Three statements are given to you. The first statement is ratio of variance of x and y is c by a. Correlation coefficient between x, y is root c, ac under root. And the value of x bar and y bar are given to you as this. Right, beta? Beta, it is asking you which of the following statements are true. इनमें से कौन सी statements correct हैं? Only 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3. Right? Okay, beta, let's try to solve this question. So first of all, I am using the property. देखो, try to understand that when y is regressed on x, जब हम y को x पे regress करते हैं, this coefficient is called as byx. Slope coefficient when y is regressed on x, this coefficient is called as byx. Similarly, beta, when x is regressed on y, this coefficient is known as bxy. This is c, right? This is given to us as c. Now, beta, we have a formula that coefficient correlation is equal to byx into bxy. So when y is regressed on x, तो मेरा slope coefficient is a. When x is regressed on y, beta, तो मेरा slope coefficient is coming out as c. So I have got this that r square is equal to ac. क्या आ गया? R square is equal to ac. So from here, beta, I can say that r will be root of ac. I can say r will be root of ac. Isn't it? So this is what the first part is, that r is equal to root of ac. ठीक है बेटा. Now come to the second formula. तो second formula है that the slope coefficient bxy. देखो, if I am putting bxy here, so it is standard deviation of x upon standard deviation of y into r. तो बेटा what is asked in the question? क्या पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन में? It is asking ratio of variance of x and variance of y. एंड बेटा वी नो, ये हमें बात पता है कि स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ऑफ एक्स होल स्क्वायर विल बी वेरिएंस ऑफ एक्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ऑफ वाई होल स्क्वायर विल बी वेरिएंस ऑफ वाई. तो आई नो फ्रॉम हियर, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे ध्यान से, वी नो फ्रॉम हियर दैट बी एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू एस एक्स बाय एस वाई इंटू आर. सो फ्रॉम हियर बेटा आई विल गेट एस एक्स बाय एस वाई इज इक्वल टू, इसको यहां ले जाओ, यू विल गेट बी एक्स वाई बाय आर. Right? And if I were to square both sides, right, so I will get sx square upon sy square is equal to bxy square by r square. And this is nothing beta, but this is the variance of x. यही तो variance of x हो गया. So this is nothing but this is the variance of x. Beta, this is nothing but ये हो गया variance of y. And this is equal to bxy whole square by r square. And bxy क्या दिया हुआ है? When x is regressed on y, so this is c. And r square is what beta? ac. So I will get that this is going to be, this is given to me as c, so c square, and r square is ac. तो बेटा ये हो जाएगा c by a. This will be c by a. तो बच्चे this option is also correct. This is also correct and this is also correct. Now look into the third part. तो third part क्या बोल रहे बेटा? Find out the value of mean of x and mean of y. Find out x bar and y bar. So try to understand that whenever we will write any regression line, that regression line must pass through the mean values. It must pass through x bar, y bar. Pass through mean values का ये मतलब है, it means that x bar, y bar will satisfy the lines. It will satisfy the equation of the line. X bar, y bar will satisfy the equation of the line. So beta, what it means? If I am given a line x is equal to cy plus d, अगर मुझे ये line दी हुई है, so what I can do? I can just put mean here. Similarly, if I am given y is equal to ax plus b, तो बेटा आई कैन जस्ट पुट मीन हियर, ठीक है। नाउ बेटा आई हैव टू इक्वेशन, टू वेरिएबल, सॉल्व देम साइमल्टेनियसली, इनको एक साथ हम सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। तो बेटा यहां से बिकॉज x बार इज c y बार प्लस d, आई विल पुट इट हियर, तो y बार इज इक्वल टू a c y बार प्लस d प्लस b, तो a c y बार प्लस a d प्लस b, दिस विल बी y बार, इसको यहां ले जाओ, y बार को कॉमन ले लो, 1 माइनस ए सी इज इक्वल टू ए डी प्लस बी, तो y bar will be AD plus B upon 1 minus AC, right? And once you have found out y bar, तो बेटा you can put this y bar here ना, यहाँ डाल दो, and once you will plug in here, you will get the value of x bar also, आपको x bar भी मिल जाएगा, and your x bar will be BC plus D upon 1 minus AC. तो now if I just go ahead to this option, अगर हम यहाँ देखें तो this is also correct, x bar and y bar के mean values are given correctly. Therefore, we can go ahead and say that A, B and C all options are correct, and therefore the correct answer will be D. इसका correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? D. Okay.